everybody, happy Mindful Monday. I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. I hope you guys took some time out last week to practice our Mindful Monday breathing exercises that we did with the bubble breathing and the pinwheel breathing. I hope that you were able to have a little bit of fun with that. So this week we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to practice mindful eating. So our mantra for this week is, I can enjoy the taste of my food. So what we're going to do is we're going to practice this week with our mindful eating, our Zen eating. So we're going to really take time to experience and enjoy what we're consuming and what we're putting into our bodies. So I did something a little bit different this week. I thought, it might be kind of boring just to sit here and watch me eat food and taste food. I'm going to just kind of explain it a little bit. But then I did some funny little videos of my puppy, Opal. And she's going to show you a little bit about what mindful eating looks like, and then maybe a whole lot of what mindful eating doesn't look like, because she's a puppy and dogs just inhale any kind of treat you give them. But I just thought it would be kind of fun and silly. So let's talk about mindful eating together real quick. Have you ever noticed that when you sit down to eat dinner, or if you're eating a snack, that you don't necessarily pay attention to the taste of your food because you're focused on something else? Has that ever happened to you? Maybe you're sitting down and you're watching TV, maybe you're thinking about something that happened throughout the day, or maybe you're in a really big hurry because you have to be somewhere, and so you're just eating super duper fast and inhaling your food. When we practice mindful eating, and the whole reason we're going to do this is because if we can sit down and take the time and really think about what we're eating and the experience of it, we can truly enjoy our food. So for this activity, what I'm going to need you to do is go get a piece of food. So it could be a piece of fruit, it could be, some popcorn, a healthy little snack or something. Okay, so once you have your food selected, what I want you to do is just kind of notice your food. Look at it. What color is it? What does it look like? What shape is it? Does it look delicious? Do you have to peel it? Is it a banana or an orange? Just kind of observe it. What do you have to do to consume that food? So after you look at the food, I want you to try to smell it. Maybe if you have a banana, maybe it doesn't really have like a real noticeable smell because you haven't peeled it yet. So notice, what does it smell like? Okay, and then as you're eating, you're going to really focus on taking one bite at a time and eating it very slowly. If you use a utensil, take your bite, put your utensil down, and then slowly chew your food. If you don't have a utensil, just take your bite, set it down, fold your hands together, and just really focus on your food. Close your eyes and think about it. Is the texture soft? Is it chewy? Is it crunchy? Think about all the different textures that you're experiencing as you chew your food. Think about the flavor. Is it sweet? Is it tangy? Is it spicy? Is it salty? And I want you to think about, what does it feel like in your mouth? Is it dry, crumbly? Is it getting stuck in your teeth? Is it so yummy and tasty you can kind of feel your mouth salivating a little bit? Just think about all the different things that you're experiencing while you eat it. Okay, and then another thing that I want you to really focus on is, what's this experience like for you as you're eating it? How do you feel consuming that food? Sometimes food can trigger a memory. It makes us think about something that's happened in the past. Maybe you chose to eat ice cream and you remember the first time you went to one of your favorite ice cream shops. Food will absolutely trigger different feelings in us. So just pay attention to how you feel when you're eating. Okay, so now I'm going to let you enjoy some silly videos of my puppy enjoying her food. Okay, Opal, we're going to practice some mindful eating. So look, you can see your snack. This is dehydrated chicken. Okay, it's pretty firm. It's like beef jerky, only maybe a little more tough. Okay, smell it. Smells so good. Okay, go ahead and chew it, Opal. When you're chewing your jerky, I want you to think about, is it crunchy? Does it taste like chicken? Is it hard to chew? Is it soft? Is it spicy? Does eating that little chicken jerky treat make you feel really happy? Is it yummy and tasty? Is it getting stuck in your teeth? Is it delicious? I think so. Keep on chewing. I like how you're taking your time and you're chewing that food real good. Oh, nice work. Like hard, and it's a little bit crumbly, okay? So give it a sniff. This is a puppy s'more. Ready? There you go. I like how you're taking your time to chew this one. All I see the little crumbles are falling down on the chair. So it's definitely a little more crumbly. But you did a really good job. Seemed like that one was a little easier for you to eat. This one, you can see, is real bendy, okay? There you go. Give it a taste. Let me know what you think. Oh, you didn't do very good on that one. I don't even think you chewed it. Last one. This one will help clean your teeth, okay? So really give this one a nice good chew, all right? So you can even hear this one sounds a little more crunchy. She's working a little harder on it. What's it taste like, Opal? Does it taste like doggy toothpaste? Oh, now it's all gone. Okay, say bye, Weird Elementary students and families. Thanks for letting me participate today. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed those silly videos of my crazy little puppy enjoying some different treats that we have for her here. You'll notice that she just inhaled a lot of those treats very quickly, but you could hear her, actually chewing her food, and you did see her smell it a little bit, and she definitely noticed it and she saw it. So she did 3 of the things. Maybe not great, but she did them all right for a puppy. So I'm going to give her a B. That's her grade. I'm going to give her a B for a puppy. Maybe a B plus because I love her so much. I have just a couple questions for you. I just want you to think about these questions after you've practiced your mindful Zen eating. What was it like to eat slowly? Is that how you would normally eat? Do you normally eat fast? Do you pay attention typically? Or was this a totally new experience for you? What was it like to think about how the food was making you feel? I think that's probably something that you've probably never done before. And honestly, I think I've only done it a few times when I was intentionally practicing some mindful eating skills. How do you think that really paying attention to our food could change the way that we eat? So I think if we're really paying attention to the stuff that we're putting into our body, that maybe it would help us make healthier choices throughout our day. And especially right now during the shelter in place, I think it's really important for us to kind of slow down and pause. Ask yourself, are you actually hungry or are you just bored? And then what food choices are you actually making throughout your day? So if we're trying to make healthier choices throughout our day of the things that we're eating, and if we really kind of slow down and pay attention to our food and really kind of give thanks for what we are eating, what we're consuming, I think that could probably have a positive impact on our eating habits and the things that we're consuming. So I hope you guys enjoyed this activity. I love you. I miss you. Take care.